Ford Focus won't start? Immobiliser fix in 2 minutes. When a Ford Focus won't start due to the immobiliser, it usually means the key transponder isn't recognized or the system has a fault, indicated by a flashing security light. Try the spare key, lock, unlock the doors to reset, or check the battery, but persistent issues often need a diagnostic scan for key, module reprogramming or a specialist. Quick fixes, try these first. Use spare key. The transponder chip in your main key might be worn, try your spare key. Reset with fob. Lock all doors with the remote, wait a minute, then unlock and try to start. Check battery. A weak car battery can cause communication errors, ensure it's fully charged or try a jump start. Battery disconnect. Disconnect the car battery for 15 to 30 minutes to reset the immobiliser module. Key near ignition. Hold the key fob right against the ignition barrel while turning the key. If it still won't start, more advanced, check fuses. A blown fuse, especially related to the engine management or instrument cluster, can be the culprit. Listen for starter. If you hear a rapid clicking but no crank, it might be the starter motor or its relay, not just the immobiliser. Scan for codes. Use an OBD2 scanner to check for specific immobiliser fault codes, like P1260. When to call a professional. If the spare key also fails after trying the resets, the issue is likely with the car's hardware. A Ford dealer or automotive locksmith can use specialized tools to reprogram keys or the immobiliser module, PATS, IDS. Issues with the immobiliser antenna ring around the ignition or the PCM, powertrain control module, often need professional diagnosis.